I made a feel with Field Guide to DIY. We needed some extra storage space here in the laundry room, so I built this base cabinet here. I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions how you can build this base cabinet yourself. Let's dive in. Now, step one is make your cuts. I did use the table saw for some of the cuts, but you don't have to. You can use a circular saw. Now, to make straight cuts, I used the circular saw with the Swanson straight edge saw guide. You'll also need a drill, and I also used the Kreg pocket hole jig. I added adjustable shelving with the Kreg adjustable shelving jig, and I added the concealed hinges with the Kreg concealed hinge jig. I'll have a link to all of these in the description below. Now with our stock cut, it's time to drill out pocket holes with the Kreg pocket hole jig. Then you assemble your box. Then you cut your stock for the face frame. Now we'll drill some pocket holes to hold the face frame together. Now it's time to assemble the face frame. Next, I'm installing a wall cleat that will allow me to anchor the cabinet to the wall. Also for the project, we picked up these drawer slides from Vadania. We ordered 5 drawer slides, 16-inch deep, fully extending. I'll have a link in the description. Now I've drilled pocket holes so I can attach an edge piece that'll sit between the 2 face pieces of the shelf. Now we assemble the doors. We used 1x3 stock for the face frame of the doors and 1/4-inch plywood for the flat panel. Once the doors are assembled, we drill holes for the concealed hinge using the concealed hinge jig from Kreg and install the hinges. I've got a complete video and step-by-step on how to install your hinges in another video in the link above. I install the doors after the cabinet is hung. It makes things a lot easier. And using the cabinet door handle jig that we made last night, for more helpful tips on woodworking, click the image on your screen now.